Get excited about the 2018 Kia Optima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. Kia paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, blind spot sensor, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.